on the 27th of September at North Sea Venue, Hemkada in Zandam. Caribe Caliente Festival. It's going down.
That's right, people. You already know the biggest indoor festival for the year. It's going down on the 27th, like my boy said. And of course, you know, Big Bad Godfatha Sounds is going to be in the building. They got crazy artists and DJs on the lineup. Bringing guys like Jay, Cache, Geo's on the lineup, Soca Twins all the way from Germany. You know, such a mad lineup. Patrick Graham, big up yourself. And of course, the Big Bad Godfatha Sounds be on the lineup as well. Yo, it's mad. 5 rooms. This thing going on until 6 in the morning. So this is the place to be. 27th of September, North Sea Venue, Hemkada, Zanda. Mash up the place.
Oh, yeah. Epic. Yeah, big. Oh, yeah, big.